We've got one song to go, and
Why did no one tell me that?
you got it sorted, all the technical stuff sorted. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Just like to introduce a great old friend of ours and a friend of Bruce's to get up and sing a song with us. We thought that today you couldn't sort of have a Bruce commemorative type evening without doing a Neil Young song, and you know, we sort of tossed that around and thought, yeah, what a great idea. But I'd like to introduce the stage, great friend of ours, his name's Dan Mullins. Thank you.
I want to take the chance to thank. Put your hands together for Flicker, huh? And it's very important for me, that's still live. Very important for me to come along and play today because I'm one of many brothers, the Mullins brothers, and we were all very great mates with Bruce. My late brother Ben would love to be here today, and my brother Leo is in Melbourne, and I said, well, I'll go along and sing a song. And Jesse, I've known you since you're a little boy, and this is a song for you and for Bruce on behalf of the Mullinses, and thank you and God bless. And I also want to just dedicate it to the Axtons as well. I'm thinking of you too. Thanks. It's a little bit hot there.
I'll go out to Alberta, where there's good there in the fall. I got some friends that I can go working for. Still, I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times. Strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, and all those things that don't change, come what may. Still, I wish you'd change your mind. I ask you one more time, but we've been through that 100 times. If I get there before the snow dries and if things ain't looking good, will you meet me if I send you down the fair? But by then it would be winter, so much more for us to do, and the wind can shovel cold way out there. Strong winds that blow times or more. God bless you, Bruce.
Thank you for having us, everybody.
Thank you. Enjoy. Got a honey, so out very soon.